I think I've come out with a lot more experience than I had coming in. So it wasn't just an opportunity to apply what I already knew, but also an opportunity to learn new things. My name's Zoe. I joined as an intern with the AMRF in the design and application team, but I've been involved a lot with the educational engagement program here at AMRF as well. So I'm studying electrical engineering at UNSW. So it's been a good opportunity to apply some of what I'm learning at uni, but I think more broadly, the experience here has taught me how to be a better engineer as a whole, not specific to electrical. Engineering in general requires a lot of creativity, specifically in engineering design, and it's just a really exciting way to apply creativity to a more technical problem. I think a lot of the ways engineering is taught at schools is very technical, and a lot of the creativity is sort of looked over, which is why I think all the educational engagement we're doing here is so great, because it just gets kids excited, gets students excited about engineering when it might not have been something they were interested in previously. Now that I'm here, definitely become more interested in advanced manufacturing. That excitement to learn and that excitement to be involved is something I'll really take onto future jobs or just generally in my engineering career. I would definitely recommend it. I think to anyone that's excited to learn, excited to be sort of active in such a great place, such a great learning environment, it's a great opportunity, great team. It's really nice. Yeah.